Just use a bottle and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. A regular washing machine can also dry clothes. Every washing machine has such a function. The laundry can be dry, like after taking it out of the dryer. If you haven't used this function yet, it's high time to start. However, you don't always have to use it. Traditional air drying of laundry also has its advantages if done correctly. Before learning how to dry laundry in the washing machine, see how to air dry clothes properly at home. If you position the drying rack parallel to the radiator, hang shorter garments closest to it. Hang longer items on the next bars. On the last ones, hang the longest or largest items. This way, the warm air from the radiator will gradually reach each piece. When you set the drying rack with its shorter side facing the radiator, hang the longest and largest clothes on the middle bars. The outer ones should have shorter items. This arrangement helps clothes dry better. For the next method, you'll need a bed sheet. Hang your clothes with the shortest items facing the radiator. Cover the entire drying rack, including the radiator, with the bed sheet. This makeshift tent will speed up the drying process. Another way to dry clothes faster involves using a towel. Lay the item you want to dry quickly on a towel. The towel should be dry. Roll the clothing with the towel and wring it well. Unroll it, and the clothing will be much drier. Often it's enough to just iron it, and it's ready. Let us know which city you're watching us from. It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. Do your laundry, but don't take out the clothes immediately. Instead, add a regular towel to the drum. It should be fluffy. If you have space in the washing machine, you can even add 2. Now just set the washing machine to spin, preferably at the highest speed. Dry towels will absorb all the moisture from the clothes. After the washing cycle is complete, the laundry will be as if it came out of the dryer. If you want dry clothes, set the spin to the highest speed already in the washing cycle. Subsequent spins with dry towels will be even more effective. Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. Drop an egg into the sink, and the results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive way to create a cleaner that's useful in the kitchen. Take an egg and drop it into the sink. Then add a few tablespoons of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour vinegar into the sink as well, known for its disinfecting powers. The resulting foam is a clever use of natural chemical reactions that can work wonders. Mix the solution well with a brush. Pour boiling water into the sink afterward. Let the ingredients in the mixture do their magic for a while. Then, rinse everything with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help you get rid of unpleasant odors and potential pests, and any leftover residue will be cleaned up quickly. Mold in the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry.